Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a comment to your Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to pick a random comment from a post or reels on Instagram. For example, I'm going to pick a comment from this post. So I'm going to go to the comment section here, and then I'm going to choose random comment. For example, I'm just going to pick this comment. If you want to add this comment to our Instagram story, we can tap and hold on the comment until this option appear on our screen, and then we just need to click on add to story. Okay, and the story will look like this guys. This is the comment I have selected. If you want to change the color, you just tap on the comment like this, and then you can choose the color that you want. For me, I'm just going to choose this black color as the background of this comment, and then you will be able to tap on this post. You will be able to change the style like this. Okay, I'm just going to choose this format, and I'm going to make it smaller like this, and then I'm going to place it right here. And for the comment, I'm going to place it here. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and then you can edit the story before you post it. You can add music or maybe sticker or text. It's up to you. And I'm just going to add music to my story. I'm going to choose this one. All right. Okay, and once you're ready to post your story, you just need to click on your story right here, and then the story with a comment on it will be posted on your Instagram account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add comment to Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.